Failed.
Oh, I messed up. Casualties of war. Hello and welcome to another episode of Tony Learns Cooking. My name is Tony. I don't know how to cook, but I do know someone who does. Today, I am joined by Hope, who specializes in traditional Northern Chinese cooking. And today we have a dish for you called Chinese cabbage, and we're just gonna stir fry it. Very simple, very delicious, very easy.
Very good.
And to begin, I'm gonna cut this. And then this, I'm just gonna cut like, and then we're gonna do it together.
Yeah, much easier, right?
Save time. Oh, clever. Okay, and then it's this, right?
Yeah.
And then we're just gonna crush them. And we're gonna cut them. Okay. Really? Can I put them together?
Of course.
Sweet.
Next is the most important thing. We are going to prepare for the sauce for this dish. Why this dish is very delicious and simple? Because of the sauce.
Okay.
A little, like a teaspoon of sugar. A little bit. Teaspoon. Some of vinegary.
Cool. Yummy, yummy.
3 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Here we go. We don't need salt because both soy sauce and vinegary can give the flavor salty enough.
Makes sense.
And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Here we go. Let's move to cook it.
Now we're ready to cook. I'm gonna turn on the heat so that as we talk, I'm gonna wait until the pan heats up, and then I'm gonna add some oil. I'm gonna basically explode the pan with garlic and the onions. Okay. I'm so good at this cooking thing. I mean, I still can't do it on my own.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
But
I'm really like, hopefully there was a one day you can do it everything by yourself, and I just wait for taste.
yeah, okay. No, yeah. Well, that's nice. Okay, end of this season, there'll be an exam. You choose some of the dishes that we did, and then I'll just prepare. I'll buy it. I'll prepare, and I'll cook it, and then it can give me a grade. Okay. Now it's guaranteed that I will pass, right? Because I have a personal relationship with my instructor. Like, we're friends. You're not gonna fail your friends, right?
It doesn't.
So this is pretty good. I have it in the bag. It's gonna be an A or A plus or full marks. It's gonna be easy. I think this is ready, right?
Yeah,
How much are we talking?
it's a little bit, not too much. It is enough.
Okay.
Here we go. Put everything in. Here we go. Here. Put it up.
Dump in?
Yeah. In. Failed.
It's not the final exam. It's so good. It's okay.
Failed.
It's okay. So that's like hot chili peppers.
Yeah, the chili pepper, you know. Kirkland chili pepper.
Oh, I messed up. Casualties of war.
You know, in the final exam, I'm not going to touch anything. I'm not going to give you any tips, something like that.
Can I, is it like a millionaire, like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Do I get a call a friend and be like, get an answer like here and there? Do I get one help?
No.
One helpline?
No.
No, eh? It's just me.
Let's see what you learn, man. What you learn.
Yeah, I think I can do this. See, I'm already learning how to do this. Watch this.
Wow.
There you go.
Pretty good. I think it's time for sauce. Steer first. Steer well. Steer the circle because the sugar is in the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, it's a very, I can definitely smell the vinaigrettes
Right?
in here, yeah.
Yeah. It should be okay now because when you put the sauce,
Yeah,
the juice
yeah.
from the cabbage will come out.
I can give myself an award when I pass. We'll have a ceremony. We'll have a podium. I'll give a speech. Yeah, I'm gonna cry. Well, I could just imagine who I'm gonna call to do my final exam.
Who you gonna call that?
All the people that's gonna give me a good grade.
I think now it's ready.
So we can just take it out?
Sure, man. Here we go.
Okay, here we go. We just made this dish and we're gonna try it out. What do you think? What do you expect this dish to be? You think it's gonna be amazing or it's gonna be amazing?
The hard dish actually, what I expected is not this much of watery.
Sauce.
Yeah, it's like a little bit too much watery there.
Okay, so let's give it a try and see what your final verdict is.
Sure.
A plus. The hot chili peppers always gives it a little kick.
Okay.
Definitely a stronger dish, right? You want to pair it with rice.
60%.
60%. Can you say 80?
No.
No, but can you just say 80? Just look out the window and say 80.
See you guys.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us today. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you have any recommendation, any tips and tricks, anything you want to learn, anything you want to try, just give us a comment and we'll see you next time.
Sure. Thank you.